In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Right AZ Screen Recorder app. So if you are new to this is one of the best screen recording app that records your screen together with audio. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do it on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get started, we need to go ahead and find Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. From here, go ahead and tap on Play Store and then use this search icon here or up here. If you search AZ Screen Recorder, you can see Screen Recorder is here. It will take us to this app, and I think this is the only app with this name, so I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see this is the logo of the app, and at the time of recording this app has over 1 million reviews with a star rating of 4.8. It is over 39 MBs with over 100 million downloads, and it is from AZ Screen Recorder. So if you see these details, you will know that you are on the right app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and then this will go ahead and download this app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using it, or you can go to your apps here. If you go to your apps, now you should be able to find your newly installed AZ Screen Recorder app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.